Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to install the Generative AI Lab on an Ubuntu server. First, let's start with the prerequisites. Your server needs two tools, curl and JQ. These help us fetch and parse data needed during the installation. To install them, open your terminal and run the following command. Next, we need to create a license file that contains your application key. This key is required to activate your instance of the Generative AI Lab. This will create a simple text file named license in your current directory. Now that everything is ready, let's install the Generative AI Lab. We'll do that by running a single command provided by Jon Snow Labs. This command downloads and runs the latest installation script directly from their official source. It will take care of setting up everything behind the scenes. And that's it. Once the script finishes running, the Generative AI Lab will be installed on your server and ready to use. After the installation is complete, we need to retrieve the default admin password for logging in. Run this command to extract it. This will output the password you'll use to log in as the admin user. Now, open your browser and navigate to the IP address of your Ubuntu server. This will bring up the Generative AI Lab login page. Enter admin as the username and paste the password you just extracted. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to start using the Generative AI Lab.